Hi guys, it's Riya and welcome back to another episode of DIY Saturday with Riya. I am super excited for this video because it's yet another most useful DIY which I love to use, and I use it like regularly. I mean, not regularly but on a daily regularly the same one.
Eu assino onde for, assino com meu próprio sangue, mas agora você vai ter que me dizer pra...
But very often I use this DIY, like really very often. So yeah, I am going to show you another DIY. So, have you ever wondered like why do fragrances like perfumes, deodorants की बात तो नहीं करते हैं, but specifically perfumes, क्योंकि perfumes बहुत expensive होती है, and even though like they're expensive, but they last only for few hours. Like, have you ever wondered like why does it happen? And even though we invest so much in these perfumes, we have to reapply it to smell like goddess. God is a woman. Like, I don't need memes in the video. I can illustrate while talking. Really need to stop talking and start focusing on the video. I mean, yeah, we spent a lot of money in buying perfumes, and then the fact that it lasts only for a few hours, it's a huge disappointment. But there's also a thing for like how to apply it and where to apply it. So today I'm going to share a trick with you guys that will help your perfume last longer and for you to smell heavenly. So starting with the application part, where to apply. So you might have heard about pulse points. The pulse points are locations on the body where the blood vessels are closest to the skin. They emit heat and in turn help your fragrance to emit from your skin. These pulse points are on the wrist, on the neck, behind your earlobes, behind the knees and the inner elbows. As you wear the perfume on these pulse points, your body heat will react with the fragrance and will emit the scent. Now moving on, how to apply the perfume. It's kind of simple, you just have to spray. The only thing you need to do is to spray, and to spray on your pulse points, because I've seen many people like spritzing it in the air, walking through it. I mean, like, what is the sense? You're wasting your product. Like, half of the perfume is in the air, it's not on your body, right? So do not do that. You have to apply it on the pulse points. And now the trick behind making your perfume last long. All you need is a Vaseline or a fragrance-free lotion. So what you have to do is take some Vaseline and apply it on your pulse point. Or if you have an unscented lotion, you can work with that also. And then spray your perfume. Here I am using a perfume by Zara. All you have to do is spray your perfume just on the place, just on your pulse point. And you don't really need to rub your wrist like this. Please do avoid rubbing the wrist like this because it crushes the scent. The reason behind applying the Vaseline before spraying the perfume is that perfume particles will cling to the Vaseline rather than sinking in the skin, which will prevent the need to reapply the perfume. Also, Vaseline is an occlusive and non-comedogenic product which will not clog pores and will help perfume to last longer. I hope you like this DIY, and for more DIYs, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload DIYs every Saturday, so do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.